Hello everybody. Today is February 24th, 2024, and this is Tech Wares. I want to talk about Intel Arc. So there's a thread on PC Gamer called Intel Explains Why Making GPU Drivers is So Hard, but it isn't given up. Intel Arc officially launched its first product in 2022. I believe it was 2022. It was the A380 GPU, and it launched, I believe, first in China. And fast forward to today, it has launched its full Alchemist series GPUs. Alright, so in this article, they're just referencing Gamers Nexus video where Intel Arc development team sent a message out to Steve from Gamers Nexus and explained a little bit about driver development, where they are with the driver development for DX9, that's DirectX, DX, I believe 10, 11, and that they're going to be optimizing for for DX12 this year. They're going to focus on that. So driver development continues. They explained how they have to, jump through some hurdles and things like that, but they're not giving up. You guys can check out the article yourself on PC Gamer, and you guys can check out also Gamers Nexus video on it as well. So many people on Reddit. All right, now this is just not Reddit. It's kind of everywhere, just in the PC gaming, PC hardware enthusiast world. A lot of people are rooting for Intel. They're like, yes, don't give up Intel. This is awesome that you guys are making GPUs. You guys are releasing GPUs. Continue to do so. So many people do support Intel Arc in that way, right? However, there's only really one way to support Intel Arc, and that is buying Intel Arc. Now, supporting Intel Arc on in spirit is cool. It's nice, but you have to, if you this is for you people that you genuinely care about the PC hardware climate, PC discrete graphics card, DGPU arena. You don't like where it's headed, if that's how you feel, if that's how you think. If you don't like where it's at, you don't like the prices, you don't like whatever. If you have some issues with it and you want a third competitor to change it up, like Intel Arc, because for years it's just been AMD Radeon, NVIDIA GeForce. Maybe you don't like the prices of where NVIDIA is putting their prices. You don't like the prices of where AMD is putting the prices with the Radeon GPUs. You have to support Intel Arc, and that is by buying an Intel Arc GPU. That's the only way. That is the only way. Now, you might be like, oh, well, money is an issue. Well, you don't have to really get the highest tiered Intel Arc GPU. You can also get an A380. That is the Intel Arc A380 GPU. It's 6 gigs. It's awesome. It's an awesome little card, and you can tinker around with an Intel Arc GPU. You can play games. You can do what you want to do, and then you can be involved in the community. Get involved. All right. There's the Intel Insiders Discord. Many people on there are using Intel Arc GPUs. Not just Intel Arc GPUs, it's also for anything Intel, like Intel Core CPUs. It's a cool little gaming community. Um, there's also many people that work at Intel on there. Many people. It's full of Intel employees. They chat with you. They're gamers as well. Um, so that is how you really support Intel Arc. And you want it to stay. You want to make an impact. This is if you genuinely care. If you genuinely care, that is a way you can support Intel Arc. This is typing on Reddit and typing on forums and typing on Twitter and X, TikTok, and all these places. Oh, I like Intel Arc. I like that they're making GPUs. Keep on going, Intel. I'm rooting for you. That is cool. But only way to genuinely support Intel Arc, I've said it again, is to buy a GPU. If you come across any bugs or glitches, you can easily report them to Intel. And Intel will look into it and they could possibly fix it. They could possibly release a patch, a fix for it in an upcoming driver. So, Intel A380 is really not that much money. 124 bucks. I've seen it go as low as only 100 bucks. Right? 100 bucks for a GPU? That is awesome. Sometimes it even comes with games. It comes bundled with games. So wait for a sale. If 100 bucks, if 125 bucks or 130 bucks is too much for you, wait for a sale. Get it at just 99.99. Currently the A310 is 100 bucks. A380. There's also another A380. Where is it? Anyways, I can't find it now. But hey, if you have the money, get an A580. If you really wanna get the high-end one, get the A770 16 gig. Look at this. It's only 315 bucks. There's also the A750. It's on sale currently. $210. That one's the Acer Predator Bifrost model edition. Alright, you can also still get the A750 limited edition from that's made by Intel. That is currently $240. The Sparkle Intel Arc A750 Arc OC edition 8 gig. Alright, currently on sale on Amazon. $210. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you guys want to check these out. It is gonna be an affiliate link, so if you purchased anything from Amazon, when you use my link, I could receive a commission from it. So that's a way you can support me as well. So this channel is not monetized or anything like that, but the Amazon affiliate links do kind of help, So, but anyways, back on topic. Reddit. This is from the PC gaming subreddit. As you can see, Intel explains why making GPU drivers is so hard but isn't giving up. This is the second most upvoted thread on PC gaming currently. And then this is on PCMR subreddit. This thread, it's the same thread regarding the same topic. It's currently what? 7th most upvoted thread on there. And these are big subreddits. These are huge subreddits. 10 million readers on PCMR. And PC Gaming, 3.4 million readers. Now imagine if all these people were like, oh, let me go support Intel Arc and grab a A380 for 100 bucks. That's the only way you support, guys. So, thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.